Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Mycelium wallet. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for Mycelium wallet account, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Mycelium application on your mobile device. Once you have the app, give it a tap to open. This is the first interface of Mycelium wallet. To create a new wallet, tap on the New Wallet button. To avoid losing your funds, you'll need to make a backup of your wallet. Tap on the Backup Now button right now and secure your wallet. Or you can do this later by tapping on Backup Later. Let me simply back up my wallet for now. So tap on Backup Now. Now, you're about to back up a master seed of your wallet. On the next page, you'll see a list of words one by one. Write them down in a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Tap on the Start button in order to view your list of words. As the word appears on your screen, write it down in a piece of paper. To view more words, tap on Next Word. Once you are done writing down all of the words separated by the space, tap on the Next button. Once the backup is completed, you can use this master seed in order to restore your wallet whenever you install Mycelium wallet on another device or reinstall this wallet on your mobile phone. Tap on Finish. And that is how you can easily sign up for Mycelium wallet. Mycelium is a Bitcoin wallet. From there, you can easily send and receive Bitcoins using your mobile phones. You can take 100% control over your private keys, and you'll be able to install and run the application in seconds without worrying. That is how you can easily sign up for Mycelium account on a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.